Looking for a classic piece of automotive history? This 1964 Ford Fairlane 500 two-door hardtop combines vintage charm with great restoration potential. Priced at $8,900 and parked in Oregon City, Oregon, it features a rebuilt 289 engine with a C4 automatic transmission, updated upholstery, and Mustang disc brake conversions. With minimal rust, original wiring intact, and clean title status, it's a promising project for collectors. Visit the link for details. Introducing the classic 1960 Ford F100, a true gem for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Priced at an attractive $5,000 and located in Dairyville, California, this beauty is ready for a new home. Featuring the original 292 engine paired with a manual transmission, it runs and drives smoothly. The odometer reads 1,234 miles, and the truck boasts a clean title status. While it's a drivable project, it's been lovingly maintained with many new and used parts included. The seller even offers a 1959 F100 parts truck as part of the deal, making it a fantastic opportunity for restoration and customization. Don't miss out on this chance to own a piece of automotive history. For more information, visit the provided link in the description. Introducing the 1961 Chrysler Newport, a stunning example of classic American automotive design. Available now for just $9,000 in Clifton, Colorado. This beautiful hardtop sedan features custom paint and interior, showcasing its timeless charm. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful 361 V8 engine paired with a 3-speed torque-flight automatic transmission, making it a joy to drive. With less than 62,500 original miles, this car is in excellent condition and comes with a clean title. Despite some minor transmission issues, this Newport starts up reliably and offers incredible potential for restoration or simply enjoying as is. To learn more and see this gem for yourself, visit the link in the description. Don't miss out on owning a piece of automotive history. Discover a piece of automotive history with this 1960 Chevrolet C10 Apache short bed stepside. Priced at just $3,900, this classic beauty is located in Azle, Texas. With a 235 inline-6 engine and a 3-speed manual column shift transmission, this truck offers an authentic driving experience. The odometer reads 100,226 miles, and the condition is good overall, although it is not currently running. Key details include a cracked passenger roll-up glass, missing tailgate, radiator, and hood hinges. Despite these challenges, the truck rolls and steers easily for loading and unloading. With its unique features and vintage appeal, the Chevy C10 is perfect for restoration enthusiasts or collectors. Don't miss the chance to own a piece of history. For more details, visit the provided link in the description. Are you a fan of classic trucks? Check out this rare 1960 Ford F250 available for just $10,000. Located in northwest Tucson, this truck boasts an all-original design featuring a reliable 223 straight-six engine paired with a manual transmission, offering a thrilling driving experience. With its distinctive dual headlights, this vintage beauty is sure to turn heads. Although the restoration process was started, there is still amazing potential for you to make it your own. Don't miss out on this piece of history. For more details, visit the link in the description. Looking for a classic ride that stands out? Check out this 1960 VW Baja Bug, available now for $5,500 in Orangevale, California. With a 1641 dual-port motor, this beauty runs, drives, and stops with ease. The odometer reads just 48,666 miles, and the car comes with a clean title, so you can enjoy peace of mind. The manual transmission adds to its classic charm, making it a fantastic option for any car enthusiast. While it shows some surface rust, it's free from cancer, offering great potential for restoration or customization. Whether you choose to drive it as is or give it a personal touch, you're sure to get plenty of compliments. This classic isn't subject to smog regulations, making it easier to register after a simple VIN verification. Don't miss out on this excellent opportunity. Visit the provided link in the description for more details. Welcome to the classic car enthusiast dream. Presenting the 1961 Rambler Classic, a true American icon with a distinguished history. Priced at $7,000, this charming sedan is located in Smyrna, Delaware. It boasts a robust six-cylinder engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, ensuring a delightful driving experience. With an odometer reading of just 65,000 miles, this car offers not only reliability, but also tremendous restoration potential. Its rich brown exterior with beige interior adds to its vintage appeal. Imagine cruising down the road, turning heads as you showcase this classic beauty. This Rambler has already passed Delaware inspection and is ready for the road. Don't miss out. Visit the link in the description for more details on this fantastic. Are you a classic car enthusiast looking for a vehicle with charm and potential? Check out this 1962 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova, currently listed for just $10,000 in Surprise, Arizona. This two-door-post sedan boasts a clean and straight body with minimal rust and has been garage-kept for 20 years. Powered by what's believed to be a Buick V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this rear-wheel drive gem starts and runs but needs a carb rebuilt. With just 100,000 miles on the odometer, a clean title, and a good condition rating, it's perfect for a restoration project or to preserve as a piece of automotive history. Explore its strong build and vintage appeal. For pictures and more details, visit the link in the description. The 1962 Studebaker Lark is a classic gem for vintage car enthusiasts. Priced at $4,500 and located in Rhinesburg, Pennsylvania, this car is in excellent condition with a clean title. It features a powerful 259 CI V8 engine, automatic transmission, and has only 19,000 miles on the odometer. Adorned in a metallic brown finish, it includes 15 chrome wheels, a heater, and recent upgrades like new brakes, shocks, and a newer battery. Its two-tone vinyl upholstery adds a touch of elegance to its retro charm. This Lark boasts both historical value and restoration potential. For full details and to make it yours, visit the link in the description. Don't miss this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. Welcome to an exciting opportunity to own a classic 1962 Volkswagen Bug, a true project car for enthusiasts and restorers alike. Priced at just $3,500, this vehicle is located in the charming city of Mountain View, California. With a clean title and a history that boasts an odometer reading of 68,000 miles, this Bug boasts a four-cylinder engine and a manual transmission. While it currently lacks a motor, the transmission was operational when it was removed, making it a promising start for restoration. The car features fair condition bodywork, with the main attention needed on the driver's side rear fender and quarter panel area. This Bug is relatively straight and has a clean pan for its age, making it an ideal candidate for a restoration project. Perfect for those who appreciate the historical value and charm of classic cars. If you're interested in bringing this piece of automotive history back to life, don't hesitate to check out the full listing in the description for more information. Here's a remarkable opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. A 1962 Chevrolet Impala 4-door hardtop available for just $8,500 in Cloverdale, California. This gem, owned by the same person for 38 years, boasts a new rear end, axle bearings, master cylinder, KYB gas shocks, rear wheel cylinders, wiper motor, and more. It's equipped with a Chevrolet 350 crate engine, power glide transmission, and has an odometer reading of 99,999 miles. Notably, it features MSD 6-amp box, Edelbrock intake, and a Holley carb. With its clean title and good condition, this Impala is perfect for restoration, making it an ideal family cruiser. Don't miss this chance to own a piece of automotive history. Visit the link in the description for more information. Introducing the 1962 Chevy 2 Nova 400 Coupe, a true classic for restoration enthusiasts. This project car, priced at just $4,750, is located in Corona, California. The Nova features a clean title, black paint, and all original glass intact. While it lacks an engine and transmission, it offers immense potential for customization. With rust on the rear quarter panels, it calls for a passionate restorer to bring it back to glory. Don't miss the chance to own a piece of history. For more details, visit the link in the description. Introducing a rare gem, the 1962 Ford F100 dually truck, a unique classic with history and character. Priced at $6,500, this beauty is located in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Equipped with a powerful 292 engine and manual transmission, this dually runs, drives, and stops. With over 999,999 miles of stories on the odometer, it features 3 fuel tanks, a custom bed with 4 access doors, and a host of vintage highlights like dual spotlights, a tachometer, vacuum gauge, trailer brake controls, and West Coast mirrors. Perfectly geared for hauling, its distinctive patina adds timeless charm. Whether you're a collector, restorer, or classic car enthusiast, this truck guarantees attention wherever it goes. Visit the provided link in the description for more details and make this head-turner yours today. Introducing the classic 1962 Ford Falcon, a charming piece of automotive history now available for just $650. Located in Yucaipa, California, this vehicle has a clean title and carries an odometer reading of 100,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine, although it currently needs some work as it's stuck. The truck features a 3-speed manual transmission, offering an engaging driving experience. While it needs some attention due to rust, this Falcon presents a fantastic opportunity for restoration enthusiasts. With its iconic design and historical significance, this Falcon is not just a vehicle, it's a project waiting to happen. For more details and to schedule a viewing, be sure to check out the link in the description. Don't miss your chance to own this classic Ford. Welcome, classic car enthusiasts. Today, we present you a 1962 Ford Galaxie 500 convertible, a true gem waiting to be brought back to life. Priced at just $2,500 and located in Thornton, Colorado, this classic beauty packs an impressive 390 cubic inch V8 engine with an automatic transmission. With an odometer reading of 1 million, it has tales to tell. While it's in good condition overall, it does require restoration. This vehicle comes with only a bill of sale and is a fantastic opportunity for collectors or DIY restorers. Don't miss out on the chance to own a piece of automotive history. For more information, visit the link in the description. Introducing the stunning 1962 Pontiac Catalina, a true classic that embodies both elegance and power. Priced at an attractive $8,500, this vehicle is located in Lubbock, Texas. With its powerful 8-cylinder engine and smooth automatic transmission, it promises an exhilarating driving experience. The odometer reads just 55,000 miles, showcasing its excellent condition. This Catalina features a sleek black exterior and comes with a clean title, making it a desirable choice for collectors and enthusiasts. This car has all original parts and offers great restoration potential, perfect for those looking to own a piece of automotive history. Don't miss out on this opportunity. For more details, please visit the link in the description. Welcome to the world of classic cars. Today, we present the 1963 Buick Wildcat, a true gem that combines timeless style with powerful performance. Priced at just $9,000, this coupe is located in Wellsville, Ohio. Under the hood, you'll find an impressive 8-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, making it a delightful daily driver. With an odometer reading of 112,000 miles, this Oregon car is in good condition and only requires some cosmetic touch-ups. The stunning red paint and well-preserved chrome and stainless steel add to its charm. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast or looking for a potential restoration project, the 1963 Wildcat offers great historical value. Don't miss out on this opportunity. For more details, check out the link in the description. Experience the timeless charm of the 1963 Buick Riviera as an original Arizona car and a one-family-owned treasure. Priced at $10,000, this rare find in Scottsdale, Arizona, features an automatic transmission, a clean title, and a powerful 401 engine waiting to be reinstalled. With a solid, never-wrecked body and only 98,000 miles on the odometer, it offers excellent restoration potential. Included is a 1964 Riviera for parts. Don't miss out on this classic gem. Visit the link in the description for more details. Introducing a classic beauty, the 1962 Chevrolet C10 Deluxe cab pickup. Priced at $8,500. This gem is located in the picturesque town of White Salmon, Washington. With its big rear window and original 283 drivetrain, this truck is not just a vehicle, it's a piece of history. Featuring an 8-cylinder gas engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, it has an odometer reading of 98,032 miles. The truck runs and drives smoothly, with good brakes and a solid feel on the road. While it was repainted in the 1970s, the interior remains all original. There is some rust on the hood and the bed needs work, offering excellent restoration potential for enthusiasts. With its clean Washington title, this Chevrolet C10 holds great historical value. Don't miss out on the chance to own this solid truck. For more details, visit the link in the description. Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on a timeless piece of automotive history, the 1963 Chevrolet Corvette split-window coupe. This classic beauty, with its iconic split rear window, is available for just $7,000 in Goderich, Ontario. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, and a manual transmission, this Corvette is perfect for true enthusiasts. The odometer reads 128,956 miles. And while it's currently not running, all the parts needed for restoration are included. This gray Corvette, in good condition, is a rare gem with immense restoration potential and historical value. Don't miss the chance to own a piece of automotive legend. Visit the link in the description for more information.